Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we will be making Origami Simple Bird. To create this model, I will be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper. Keeping the white side on the top, I will be starting with the diagonal fold. Bring this corner to this to create a center crease. Make a sharp crease, then open the flap. Now bring these 2 points to this as demonstrated. Now the model will look like this. Flip the model and bring this flap to this point. You have 2 sheets of paper there. Fold them together like this. Then repeat the same thing with these flaps too. Rotate the model and lift one flap up and squash it down as shown. Lift single flap and bring it to this point. Make a crease. Divide this portion into 3 equal parts. Lift the tip and fold it like this. Now this space and this space will be equal. Fold back the triangle. Rotate the model, then fold as demonstrated. Open this flap and bring this line and align with the bottom line and make a crease. Now we need a curve shape on bird's head, so here fold small triangle inside. Now let's fold on this space, turn the model and lift one flap up, and here approximately 2 cm from this tip, fold the triangle. Now turn the flap and let's work on bird's wings. Bring this tip down to this point. You are folding into 3 portions. This portion and this portion is equal now. From this tip to this point, make a diagonal fold. To create a curve shape, fold the small triangles inside. And here fold a small diagonal fold. Now let's work on this place. We have already folded 2 cm triangle here, or you can see that this area is divided into 3 and it is 1/3 of the length. Now open one flap and fold this triangle inside and fold these 2 triangles also inside to place the bird on the table. If you want to show the feet of the bird, fold back this triangle and fold it down as demonstrated. Now you can see the same color foot. If you want the beak color foot, then open the flap and you can see 2 paper here. The bottom flap, fold the triangle inside. Only on the top triangle, go according to the creases as shown. Now you can see the bird foot and the beak are the same color. Origami bird is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.